Hi everyone, this is Sheena. Today I will teach you the 26 alphabet sounds. So now let's start for the letter A. A, 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 A. A for apple, apple. Let's proceed to the letter B. B for basket, basket. So, very good. Next is letter C. K, 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 k. C for cat, cat, cat. D for dog, dog, dog. D, 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 d. Very good. So now let's proceed to the letter E. A, A, A. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Very good. Letter F. Frog, frog, frog. What's next? Letter G. G, 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 g. Goat, goat, goat. Very good. So we're done to the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So now we're going to proceed to the letter H. Hi, hi, hi. Very good. What's next? Letter I. E, E, E. Look at my mouth. E. Ink, ink, ink. Amazing. Now let's proceed to the letter J. J, 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 J. Jar, jar, jar. Now letter K. K, 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 k. Look at my mouth. K, 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 k. Kite, kite, kite. Good. So now let's proceed to the letter L. L, L, L. Lump, lump, lump. Very good. We're done to the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and L. So now, what's next? Letter M. M for mama, mama. Next is letter N. Neck, neck, neck. So now let's proceed to the letter O. O, O, O. Oval, oval, oval. Amazing. Let's proceed to the letter P. P, 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 P. Pink, pink, pink. Next is Q. Koala, koala, koala. Next is letter R. R, R, R. Rose, rose, rose. Very good. Letter Next is letter S. Snake. Snake. Now let's proceed to the letter T. Table. Table. So we're done to the letter T. So what is the next of letter T? Letter U. So the sounds, what is the sounds of letter U? Ah, 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 ah. Under, under. Next is letter V. V, 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 v. Look at my mouth. V, v. Vegetables. Vegetables. Next is letter W. W, 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 w. Water. 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 So next is letter X. X, 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 x. X-ray. 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 Very good. Next is letter Y. E, 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 E. Yellow. 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 Is the last one is letter Z. Z, 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 Z. Zebra. 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 Very good. So we're done. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.